Imagine a world where your health is constantly monitored, where you can receive your medicine without stepping outside your door. Well, that's not just the stuff of science fiction. Welcome to the world of the Internet of Things, IoT, and drones in healthcare. Now, let's dive into the future of healthcare. First, take a moment to consider the concept of the Internet of Things. It's a network of physical objects, devices, vehicles, buildings, and other items that are embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and network connectivity. This allows these objects to collect and exchange data, creating a world where everything is interconnected. In healthcare, the Internet of Things has the potential to revolutionize the way we look at patient care and health management. For instance, a study from the University of California, San Francisco, demonstrated the power of IoT in managing chronic disease. Patients with heart conditions were given wearable devices that constantly monitored their heart rate, blood pressure, and other vital signs. This data was then transmitted in real time to their healthcare providers. The result? A significant reduction in hospital readmissions, improved patient outcomes, and a more proactive approach to health management. But it's not just the Internet of Things that's making waves in the healthcare industry. Drones are also taking center stage. Picture this. You're living in a rural area, miles away from the nearest pharmacy. How do you get your medication? Enter healthcare drones. A case study from Rwanda showcases the power of drones in healthcare delivery. In partnership with the drone company Zipline, the Rwandan government has been using drones to deliver blood to remote hospitals, cutting delivery times from hours to minutes. This has had a profound impact on emergency medical care, particularly in situations where time is of the essence. And it's not just in remote areas where drones are making a difference. In urban areas, drones are being used to deliver defibrillators to heart attack victims faster than an ambulance can arrive. A study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that drones could arrive at the scene of a heart attack up to 16 minutes faster than emergency medical services. So, what's the take-home message here? The Internet of Things and drones are not just buzzwords. They are powerful tools that have the potential to revolutionize healthcare, from managing chronic diseases to delivering life-saving medications and equipment. They represent a future where healthcare is more accessible, efficient, and personalized. In this world, patients are no longer passive recipients of care. They are active participants, empowered by technology to take control of their health. And healthcare providers are no longer limited by geographical boundaries. They can monitor patient health, deliver medication, and respond to emergencies in real time, regardless of where the patient is located. This is the power of IoT and drones in healthcare. A world where technology and healthcare go hand in hand, creating a future where everyone has access to the care they need, when they need it.